So you want to move your USDT from your Web3 wallet over to your Binance exchange account. Today I'm gonna break it down step by step so you don't get stuck or send it to the wrong place. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Now let's jump right in. First up, open up your Binance app. Then you want to tap on assets at the bottom. Then go to deposit. Now select USDT as the coin you're depositing. Next, it'll ask for the network. If you're sending from a Web3 wallet on BNB chain, you can pick BEP20, also known as Binance Smart Chain. Just make sure it matches. And once you choose the network, Binance will give you a wallet address. You can tap copy. This is where you'll be sending the USDT to. So next step, you can back and go to assets, then tap on wallet and open your Web3 wallet inside Binance. Inside your Web3 wallet, scroll or search for USDT. You can tap on it, and finally you can go ahead and tap send. Now paste that deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Now enter how much USDT you want to transfer. Also double check everything and then confirm the transaction. Once it's confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT will land in your Binance Spot wallet. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to move USDT from your Web3 wallet to Binance without making mistakes. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.